Welcome to the best remote work from home job just for you. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell because we have 5 to 7 job leads every single day here just for you. Hello and welcome to the best remote work from home job just for you. Today we have an opportunity from the company Yelp. They're looking for a global compensation analyst. It pays $74,500 a year. Come grow your career in compensation. Yelp is looking for a global compensation analyst to join our people's operation team. You will be a thought partner in developing and improving our compensation structure. You're a go-getter who is happy to ask questions and has the initiative to find answers. This is not a role where you're going to be sitting behind the scenes crunching numbers, although there is some of that, so you should love data and be an Excel whiz. Most of all, we want you to help influence in a way that makes sense and really sells the Yelp compensation story. This is your opportunity to make your opinion count and continue to learn as you grow your compensation career on a fantastic team. This is a full-time remote position based in the United States. Where you come in, you consult, advise, and train people's partners, recruiters, and multi-level business leaders, all things compensation. You act as a key player in our compensation programs, merit, stock, promotions, and bonus administration, with ownership over select departments and organizations. Be a thought partner to our compensation team members on various ongoing projects, including but not limited to quarterly compensation cycle, program competitiveness, salary ranges, and market trends. Develop tools to help model, interpret, and analyze external data. Maintain the career framework through the job evaluation process, ensuring that positions are evaluated against the established set of criteria and are leveled consistently across the organization, and partner on the warehousing of job description. Make compensation recommendations and resolve compensation issues using a data-driven approach. Maintain and apply knowledge related to compliance and government regulations regarding pay, including the FLSA statute. Review salary survey participation data, including audits, validation, benchmarking, reviews, and making recommendations. Partner with our people analytics, people operations, and finance teams to gather information and help tell our story with numbers. Assist in developing compensation plans, policies/practices, and documentation. What it takes to succeed: a bachelor's degree or equivalent, 2+ years of relevant compensation experience, Workday advanced compensation experience required, certified compensation professional CCP designation preferred, experience with salary survey participation, including data audits, validation, benchmarking, and recommending additional compensation data sources, advanced knowledge of Excel. Demonstrate the ability to analyze large amounts of information and discern patterns, to compare results to legislation, past practice, compliance with policy, internal equity, and make appropriate recommendations, HR compensation experience, sufficient to frame and ask the right questions as part of the discovery and leadership process, ability or experience in providing training or conducting conversations that impact compensation knowledge, ability to build relationships with demonstrating a record of timeliness, trust, and integrity, a passion of analytics and problem solving, strong verbal and written communication skills, demonstrate the ability to work independently and within a team, conduct research, formulate conclusions, and present conclusions or solutions to business issues. What you'll get: effective your first day, you'll get full medical, vision, and dental, 100% paid employee only coverage, 15 days of PTO, paid time off. Accrues begin on the date of hire and increases with 2+ years of tenure thereafter, 7 paid wellness days, 12 paid holidays, plus 1 floating holiday, up to 14 weeks of parental leave, monthly wellness reimbursement, health savings, flexible spending, independent care accounts, 401k retirement savings plan with employee match, employee stock purchase programs, And the compensation range from $74,500 up to $126,000 per year. You may also be offered a bonus and benefits. If you feel like you're the perfect candidate for this particular position, we're going to put the link right in the description below so you can apply right away. But if not, don't worry. We're going to have 5 to 7 job leads every single day on this channel, and all you have to do is subscribe and hit the notification bell if you want to be amongst the first notified to find the best remote work from home job that's available for you. And we also have online courses available for you. We have Land the Remote Job, the best way to work from home. If you're curious about how to land that remote job, how to ace those interviews, how to have the best resume, then Land the Remote Job, the best way to work from home, will be the course for you. We have Building Profitable Online Side Hustles, so you have multiple streams of income. We also have Creating Your Own YouTube Empire. If you ever wanted to do a YouTube channel, whether you show your face or not, you can do it as well. And if you want to get all 3 of these courses as the ultimate work from home bundle for 45% off, it's also available. All the links are going to be in the description below, so you can go and get those online courses right away and make all the money from home. Whether you're fed up with the office work lifestyle and you just want to work from home, or you're just looking for more freedom for you and your loved ones and family, work from home opportunities for you right here on this YouTube channel. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you get notified every single time we have a brand new work from home opportunity just for you.